Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how I get my lips to look youthful, and I have a little helper today. Yes, I do. This is my little grandson, James. Say hi, baby. Say hi. Mwah. So this is what I'm going to show you today. And I also wanted to let you guys know that I put out a social media post. If you guys are not following me, I wanted to give you guys the option to ask me and my new boyfriend, Alex, any questions that you want. We are going to do a Q&A. So any questions that you guys have for either myself, either myself or my boyfriend, just leave the comments down below and we will answer your comments in the video. Mwah. You're so funny. You're so funny. You're so funny. Mwah. Happy boy, huh? Happy boy. Happy boy. So the first thing I did is exfoliate my lips. I washed my face, exfoliated my lips, and I'm just using a damp washcloth to make sure there's no makeup on my lips. Then I use my Revlon Color Stay Overtime. This color is Faithful Fawn, and it so closely matches my natural lips that this is the Color Stay lip color that I'm going to use to line my lips. I see you. see a little head over here. What are you doing? What are you doing, huh? Oh, he wants me to get him more. I'll be right back. So what I'm gonna do is take the color Faithful Fawn that most closely matches my natural lip color, and I'm going to overline the upper top and the bottom. But I'm not going to overline the sides, only the very top. So see, I followed my lip line, but just went up a little on the top. I naturally do have a curve, like my lips naturally flip up a little bit anyway. So when I draw the line, it just almost creates that shadow. What? No. Follow my natural lip line down the side, and you can see it's already giving that definition. Then I'm going to overline the bottom center. So right there. I'm going below my lip line, my natural lip line, just in the center. Then I'm going to follow my natural lip line going up. And just connect that. Mama. What, sweet boy? You're so cute. Mimi loves you. I love having you keep me company today. Yeah. Okay, so see the bottom? Overlined just the center. Yeah. and then follow the natural lip line going up. The thing that I love about this lip color is it will not come off. Like when it says color stay, it is totally color stay. It won't come off unless I use my Neutrogena makeup wipes that I use to get it off. It will stay on through eating all day. It will, it will totally not come off. So I let this first coat dry, and if I want, I could just fill in my lips and use this color. Because it's the closest color to my natural lip color, I use this color a lot. Okay, now that that dried, like I waited about a minute, and you can go in really with any shade that you want. So I am going to use the Never Ending Nude color. Uh-oh. Can kind of contour your lips, and again, this will stay. You can also completely go over the line that you just drew. And it's almost just like extending your lip up. Now that's all dry, and like I said, you don't need to do all of these steps, all these layers. You can just use the initial color that I started with, but I love to add in different colors and just to get a different look. Now I'm going to use Forever Pink. This just gives it some, like a nice shimmer. Now that is all dry, and I'm going to use the opposite side, which is just a clear gloss. This helps to hydrate your lips, and I usually only use this once when I initially put the lip color on, and my lips stay hydrated all day. And that is it. All right, you guys, I hope this gave you an idea of how to overline your lips to make them look a little bit fuller. What do you think? How'd I do? Good? If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Bye. You're so silly. You're so silly. Who's that little cutie pie?